Hello guys! So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up notifications on your eBay account. So open your browser and go to ebay.com. Make sure you're already logged into your account before adjusting your settings. On the eBay homepage, look at the upper left corner of your browser's address bar. Click on the small lock icon or site information icon. From the drop-down, select Site Settings. You'll be redirected to a settings page for the eBay website. So find and click Privacy and Security. This is where permissions and safety features are managed. Scroll down until you see Notifications, right here. Choose Allow to give your browser permission to send alerts from eBay. This enables real-time updates for messages, offers, bids, and more. With notifications allowed, your eBay activity will now show up directly via your browser. It's super handy when you're tracking active listings or messages. And that's it. Your eBay notifications are officially enabled. This small adjustment makes a big difference, especially if you're tracking an auction, waiting for an offer, selling multiple items, or monitoring incoming messages. You can always return to the settings anytime if you want to turn them off or customize them again. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.